everyone. I am Sneha Verma, the Senior Legal Associate in the Indian Lawyer and Allied Services. Recently, Panama Papers have been in news again. Now, what are Panama Papers? Panama Papers refers to 11.5 million leaked, encrypted and confidential documents that were the property of a Panama-based law firm. They were discovered by a German newspaper who named them as the Panama Papers. In October 2021, the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists have leaked 11.9 million files that contained the names of politicians, businessmen, celebrities of over 200 countries who have stashed away their foreign exchange and are laundering it. It has names of over 300 Indians. Recently, Finance Ministry have submitted information as how much of the undisclosed income has been recovered so far. Same as the Panama Papers are also the Paradise Papers. The Finance Ministry told in 2019 and 20 that almost 10,370 crore rupees have been of the undisclosed income have been seized in 2022 and 2021. However, they have also mentioned that there is no official estimation of how much amount of black money is lying in foreign accounts. Though till 2015, almost rupees 2,476 have been collected as tax and penalty. So, what are the basic steps that our government has taken to stop such activities from flourishing? The first step that has been taken has India has been a leading force in efforts to forge a multilateral regime for proactive sharing of financial information, which goes by the name of Automatic Exchange of Information, which will greatly assist global efforts to combat tax evasion. Under this scheme, all the parties that are signatory to the scheme are able to share their financial data easily without any hindrance of the national laws. A special investigation team on black money was constituted in 2014 that has been extensively monitoring all the substantial black money and undisclosed income cases. Also, the government has recently enacted the Black Money Undisclosed Foreign Income and Assets Act and Imposition of Tax Act 2015, which apart from very stringent penal consequences has also included offence like willful attempt to evade tax. Lastly, the government has constituted a multi-agency group in relevant cases calling for definitive information from foreign jurisdiction, bringing black money to tax under relevant law and launching prosecution against the offenders. The important authorities that are concerned with these activities of black money and laundering are the Income Tax Department, the multi-agency group, the Central Board of Direct Taxes, Directorate of Enforcement, Reserve Bank of India, Financial Intelligence Unit of the CTBT. Although the investigations are going on, but then stay tuned for further updates on this.